Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Google Bard AI to make your market research, to select products that you're going to sell, and to create a business plan for your either e-commerce store or dropshipping business. Okay, first thing I want you to go ahead, create an account and log in into Google Bard AI. When you come over here, you want to make sure that you give Google Bard AI most detailed and precise questions and prompts. Okay, so you will get the better answers. First thing you want to say, I am looking to start an e-commerce store. Okay, focused on dropshipping. Please help me research popular niches and products that are currently popular in the Google search, and also help me create a business plan. That's it. Let's see. We gave a pretty detailed prompt. Usually Bart AI is doing fantastic job, guys. Usually is doing much better job than ChatGPT and even the Copilot of Microsoft in comparison. Let's see. Hot niches over here, guys, for dropshipping in 2024 for free. Eco-friendly products, bamboo straws, reusable water bottles, organic clothing, trending, home and garden products for improving comfort of the organization, like ergonomic furniture, smart home gardens, health and wellness fitness trackers, yoga mats, meditation apps, pet supplies, high quality toys, tech gadgets, funny trending products, Google Trends. So according to Google Trends, utilize Google Trends business plan. No, I want more specifics. Can we get more specific about the data from Google Trends? Can we? That's the question over here, guy. Absolutely. To narrow down the Google Trends research, I need some additional information. What interests you with the hot niches mentioned? For example, are you more drawn to the sustainable fashion? Nope. I would look for simple, small, I would say, gadgets or tools. Let's see. We're looking for something small, easy shipping, guys, easy returns. Everything will be much easier. Trending gadgets and tools. Okay, we have a cable wraps, we have charging docks, portable phone stands, wireless earbuds, cleaning kits, kitchen gadgets, avocado slicer, egg yolk. That's very good, guys. That's very, very good. We just type like maybe 4 or 5 different prompts, and we end up with exact match of our search queries, right? And this is based on Google Trends. This is not coming from anonymous website or something. So obviously it is possible, and I also going to give them 8 stars out of 10, the best performing AI chatbot over here so far, guys. Please make sure to check out my other videos on Copilot and on Bing AI chat. We did some very nice experiments and case studies about the business. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.